Okay, I made it to Hey Bong. That's my driver, and that's my waitress. Tuesday. Alkun. Alright. This is the latest dish at Hey Bong. These are funky fries, and this is Caesar avocado wrap. I'm here at Hey Bong, restaurant in Siem Reap, Cambodia. And I had the pleasure of running into the owner, who was himself having a salad. What's your name, sir?
My name is Mikel.
Where are you from originally?
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Zurich.
Is veganism big there back home?
In Switzerland, in Europe now, very popular.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. And were you affected by COVID over the last 2 years?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
But when COVID started, open delivery service after 8 months before we get this location.
As I was telling you, I'm really glad restaurants like yours exist, because there are a lot of places that claim to be vegetarian and they have good intentions, but some don't quite understand the subtlety and the nuance, of the fanatics like me.
The problem is to understand the difference between vegetarian and
vegan. Yeah.
But get more. We make a workshop training people.
Yep.
That's so important.
This is great. I was here yesterday. I love the Green Elixir, so I came back. I got 2 yesterday, and I'm getting 2 again today. I really like the fact that you include Moringa. A lot of people aren't familiar with it. I felt a boost immediately, so I came back the very next day and ordered 2 more. Cool, excellent.
My wife.
Okay, hi, nice to meet you. Cool. Yep, I was here yesterday, so you'll probably see me more often than you'd like.
Thank you. And how long you stay?
Until the 28th, probably.
Oh.
I wanted to see Angkor Wat, so I went there yesterday. Today I'm doing the circus and this Hey Bong.
Hey Bong. Bong means here brother and sister.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, when he in the same age, I say hello Bong, Tuesday Bong.
Someone on the same level.
And the younger one you call them own. Yeah, that's a little bit different here.
Right.
Bong understand everybody
on the same level.
Yeah, so we hey brother.
Excellent.
Hey sister. Yeah, that's okay for you.
All right, that's fine. That's good.
It's good.
Yep.
Soon enough, they sing a different song. Choose one of me.